Hello, people of Earth. We're here at a car wash. Where there's rocks. Oh my God. Okay, there's rocks. Yes, I don't know what car wash it's called today. What? Okay, we're going to turn off the car. Oh my God. Here, you hold it. Nice. Let's go to the vacuum mirrors. Oh, look it, there's a limo. I never saw a limo up close. Let's see what's in the garbage can. Nothing. Let's see what the CD has. My, what the hell? Oh, crap. I need it. And we're back
to the car wash. And yes, we're wearing almost the same clothes, but
okay, let's just shut up. No one cares. Match! Yay! We finally got here. Limo. Look at it. Long, weird, long. Yes, long. Oh, so cool. Cars, yes, cars. Okay, let's go back to the truck now. We took our pictures. We never really got to see a limo in like real life, like
yeah. The cane.
Whoa, like a little cane. Look at it, that's so cool.
Let's go check out that.
Oh my gosh, look, there's a spoon. A metal spoon. Let's see what's in this garbage.
You guys get to see what the ketchup looks like.
Oh yeah, let's go show them. We can't right now. There's a car going in right now.
Hopefully you saw a battery one.
Yeah, hopefully. This guy comes in. Doesn't take that long to go into there. Is he getting out? Okay. Well, you'll battery. Okay, drop it.
This is yours. Too bad.
Ew, it sounds weird. Okay, bye.